Plan ahead and prepare. Inform someone at home of your itinerary and leave a date for them to contact the police if you haven't returned or contacted them. While on the track, fill in the green Tracks and Trails logbook that tells relevant emergency authorities of your last known location in case of a mishap or emergency such as a bushfire or extreme weather conditions. Be aware of all restrictions relating to the area you are walking. For example, fire weather warnings and whether campfires are permitted at all of the campsites you intend staying at. Make yourself aware of current local conditions such as diversions due to prescribed burns or bushfire, inlet crossings and safety of beaches by using the latest track conditions webpage and contacting the local district office. Carry a map and know how to use it. The Bibbulmun Track Foundation holds regular events teaching these vital skills. Carry sufficient water. Western Australia can be very dry and streams cannot be relied upon. Plan your route. Organise drop-offs and pickups around designated vehicle access points as indicated on the Bibbulmun Track maps. Use only these designated vehicle access points. Other roads may cross the track, but they may be in dieback risk areas that are only accessible to management staff and those with specific permission to do so. Pack suitable clothing. It is better to have warm clothing and no fire than removing wildlife habitat to burn in order to keep warm. Remove all unnecessary packaging before you set out.